Welcome to Firethorne Apartments. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath classic unit. This is 1360 Brook Street, Unit J, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And we came in, walked through the living room, and now we're looking out over the balcony area. Nice place to sit in the summertime. And that is a real wood-burning fireplace. Wonderful fall evenings. And as we walk back towards the entry area, I want to show you the washer dryer, full size, side by side. And that is the coat closet straight ahead. And let's go around the corner to the kitchen dining area. Good space for a dining room table. And then you have the dishwasher, fridge and stove, and the door at the end is to the pantry. It's all sprinklered for your safety. And as we go down the hall on the right-hand side, we have the first of 2 bathrooms. Tub and shower. And that's a linen closet on the left, and we're walking into the second bedroom. Second bedroom is a very good size. Bring your queen bed, dressers, desk and chair. Good size closet at the end. It's actually considerably wider than the closet doors indicate. As we walk around the corner, central heat, central air. And this is the principal bedroom. Bring your king size bed, lots of room. And at the end here, we have a nice walk-in closet. And directly adjacent, your own private bath. No tub, just a shower. So that's 1360 Brook Street, unit number J, just off Randall Road, Randall and Main Street. Nice walking, convenient location. Walk over to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, ice cream shop, and lots of restaurants. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you in person, or visit the website for full details, 1350brook.com. Thanks. Have a great day.